Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about this feature quite a few times, and I'm getting more and more comments of viewers of the channel that are just saying, yep, the low latency profiles is actually turned on when you install the May preview update. So that means that all of you that have not installed any of these updates, when you get to Patch Tuesday, which is coming this Tuesday, June the 9th, you will probably see a huge difference in speed and performance on machines, especially machines that are older, machines that have less RAM memory. This is truly amazing to see that people really notice it, and that it's not just, it gives a small gain and that's it. Nope, people really notice it. So what is going to happen is once you install the Patch Tuesday updates, I suspect that a lot of you will start noticing that everything opens faster, your apps open faster, start menu activities, everything is faster. Like I said, especially on machines that are older and that have less RAM memory. If you have a very recent, powerful gaming machine, for example, you might not notice it that much. It's really a question of the faster and the more performance you have out of your PC, the less it shows, but there is a difference, and people are liking it and finding it really, really interesting. So that mixed with Microsoft saying, well, I want to have core apps of for Windows rather than apps that have a web wrapper around them, like kind of an app that in reality is more like a online app within a browser. That will also improve the performance, and hopefully this is going to show, and a lot of people will enjoy that speed boost that we're getting with Windows 11. At least that's one cool new feature that is arriving this Tuesday on Patch Tuesday. The low latency profile seems to be turned on for everybody. So notice maybe what I would say is, before you install the Patch Tuesday updates, go around, open apps, look at the speed that your start menu goes up, or the, any part of Windows, the settings app, and check, the feel and the speed that it has. And after you have the update done, check again to see if you notice a speed difference when the Patch Tuesday updates will be installed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.